Alright, y'all. Well, today's the day. They should be pouring this slab at around 12 today. I think right now it's around 10:30, so a little bit longer, but this is happening. I asked for 12 by 12 footers surrounding the entire thing, but honestly it's about 18 inches, maybe up to even 24 inches, especially on this far side, since they had to raise up this far side by almost 3 feet. I didn't even realize how sloped it was, but when we did the line, it was actually just about between 2 and 3 feet, just to make this thing level. We shall see how this goes today. I've never had a slab poured personally, but this is the start of my garage. Hopefully soon we can get the metal in and find someone to put this thing together for me, because I'm definitely not a welder. Alright, y'all, well, it's been a few days since it was poured, and they just finished taking off all the forms of the concrete slab, and now I can actually see what the end result is. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. It turned out pretty good. I've never had a slab poured before, so I guess this is the only one I could base my opinion off of, but I like it. Had them add this lip around the entire border of the slab for the metal garage. That way the sheeting can overhang right there and make it, I guess, a better water sealed. I don't know if that'll work or not, but when I looked it up, it said to do that, so that's what I did. Also added this PVC pipe right here, just so I can easily run electric into the building. This side is still pretty low, but man, when you see the other side, it's about 3 feet off the ground, which is crazy because this area over here does not look that unlevel. Pretty flat to me, but you can see how high it gets over here. Man. But I'll go ahead and walk around this entire slab just so y'all can see it. And yeah, overall it's about a 40 by 24. Just for the slab portion where the building will lay, and then the ramp ended up having to be 40 by almost 10 feet long. I was honestly expecting it to only be a few feet, but because it had to be raised so much, that's what caused it to have to be a lot longer. You can see from this side, it's a lot taller than the other side. It's almost above my knee right now. Yeah, there's quite a bit of mess left over from when they took off all the forms, but they should be coming back and cleaning all this up. Hopefully. I don't know. We'll see. Here is the ramp. Honestly, it's almost half the size of the whole slab itself. Ended up costing a little more than I thought, but still I think I got a pretty good deal overall. overall in this area. Here you can see what it looks like next to our house. Our house is about a 50 by 30, so this is slightly smaller than the house itself, which is crazy. Honestly, not going to park on this thing for probably until I get the building put on, because I want to eventually do an epoxy seal on this top once the building's on, just to keep the concrete protected. I'll probably be making some more videos, especially on the metal building being put up and doing all the interior work, such as the electrical and the epoxy and I don't know, anything else I do in there. So stay tuned. It'll probably be a good series to watch to see how the process goes, and well, I guess I'll see y'all next time. Take care.